Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn on high contrast keyboard in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. To look for high contrast options for our keyboard, we have to go to settings first. Then we are looking for accessibility options menu here, and under visibility enhancements we have high contrast keyboard. When we enter this little menu, we can turn it on, and also we can customize it a little bit, and that's how you do it. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.